We chose the Uncle Sam boat tours for exploring the scenic Thousand Islands in Alexandria Bay, New York, and it is one of the best ways to see the island marks on the St. Lawrence River. Many of these islands are privately owned by some of the wealthiest families of the past centuries, where they built lavish mansions. It's called the Millionaire's Row today.
And this is the most famous of all islands, the Heart Island, where the glamorous Boldt Castle is situated. Built by George Boldt for his beloved wife Louise in the 1900s, this place possesses the charm of a fairyland and is completely mesmerizing.
Apart from the main castle, there are other stunning surrounding structures too, like this powerhouse that was once used to supply electricity to all of the island. The archway or water gate for formal entry of guests, yachts and launches. The Alster Tower or playhouse was for recreational activities and even had bowling alley, billiards room and library. Nearby you can also spot a lighthouse and the Boldt Yacht House, which has a collection of antique wooden boats.
Zavikon Island has the world's shortest international bridge connecting New York in the US to Ontario in Canada. The islands on St. Lawrence River are shared by both US and Canada, making them one of the largest archipelagos in the North American continent. These are the Canadian waters we are into and don't even need a passport from the US side. Here's the statue of St. Lawrence on the St. Lawrence River.
The Rock Boat was an important steamboat building, transportation and refueling center, often referred as secret jewel of the Thousand Islands. And now we are approaching the Thousand Islands International Bridge connecting the northern New York to southeastern Ontario, Canada. It is 8.5 miles long and is functional since 1938. This lovely bridge is operated by joint agreement between Thousand Islands Bridge Authority of US and Federal Bridge Corporation Limited of Canada.
The Deal Island has the clubhouse for the secretive Skull and Bone Society, but today it's almost in ruins.
After approx 2 hours of sail, the cruise docks into the Heart Island where you can tour or optionally stay in the cruise. On the river you will frequently spot jet skis, yachts, cargo ship, boats from Canadian side, which adds to the liveliness of the region. And here we are, back to the shore after a delightful tour.